Hey there, welcome to the only World Heritage Registration site of Shiraz. Is it really winter here? If it's like this in the winter season, what should be said in the spring, which is the season of its charm? Let's go and see. Yeah, here Eram Garden is the only registered World Heritage in Shiraz, which welcomes people with the use of a botanical museum. The garden traces his story from the Seljuk period, much enlarged during the subsequent years. The garden was owned by the leader of the Qashqai tribe. Under Nasreddin Shah Qajar, Hossein Ali Khan Nasir al-Mulk bought the building, after a short period confiscated by Shiraz University. The architect Muhammad Hassan, who made Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, built this building. The construction of a splendid three-story building took several years. The building was government under supervision of Abu Qasim, especially famous for its cypresses. This building is an architectural masterpiece of the Qajar era. The ground floor is allocated to a host khane designed for the repose of residents during the summertime. Imposing features two-story central porch which sits above the first floor. The third floor features high wooden windows. Semicircle of type lights on top of the building portrays a selection of historical, mythological, and literary characters. Among them are Nasreddin Shah Qajar mounted on a white steed, Prophet Suleiman with the Queen of Saba, Joseph and Zolikha, Khosrow and Shirin, and Rustam, as well as horned thieves, wild animals, and fairy creatures. The building for its opening redecorated as the Museum of Botany. And here is a pond of eram garden that has some duckling, ducks, and turtles in it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Bye bye until another walking tour.